Marami sa atin ang tingin natin sa hope is optimism. Optimism is a belief that tomorrow will always be better. Hope is not. Hope is a belief that together you can make a better tomorrow.
I'm too tired to think about it. Does it make you worry now? 'Cause I've been talking in my sleep again. Around all the dreams we had, we're seeing shadows on the water. Oh, yeah, so honest. We're seeing shadows on the water. But we made our promise to let the rest of our lives decide.
Dearest Mama, thank you for your love and support. We love you, Pat and Jack. Pandora. Joke.
Our lives decide. I woke up in a cold sweat.
Ang pagkakataong ito sa inyong relasyon ay hindi nagkataon at nagkatagpo kayo. Kung hindi ito ay itinaon at pinagtagpo kayo ng Diyos. Even before the world began, you have been chosen to be partners because marriage is a destiny.
We're seeing shadows on the wall. Oh, yeah, so honest. We're seeing shadows on the wall.
My dearest Pat, Bebu, Mahal, as I stand here today, together with our loved ones, we have walked together through laughter and tears. From the moment we met, I knew there was something extraordinary about you.
Super galing lang talaga ni Lord dahil dininig niya yung panalangin ko na sana dumating yung tamang tao para sa akin.
Wala naman laman.
Meron.
Golden cup.
To let the rest of our lives decide.
Magic word, ang galing mo.
Ang galing mo.
Hindi, magaling talaga to. Magaling. Magaling sa basketball, magaling sa email, magaling sa computer, madiskarte, malapit. At alalahanin mo lang lahat ng mga nagastos mo.
Ako pala. Ikaw kasi umiiyak eh.
Magpapakabait ng mabuti.
Shadows on the wall. Oh, yeah, so honest. Seeing shadows on the wall. But we made our promise. Seeing shadows on the wall. Oh, yeah, so
Your kindness, love, and caring personality made me love you more. Ngayon ko lang aaminin na ako talaga yung una nagkakasyayo. Sa isang happy birthday lang pala magsisimula ang lahat at mauuwi sa kasalan.
Tamang tao na kulang sa suka pero sobra sa toyo. Salamat sa iyo, mahal, na lagi kong karamay at madalas at lagi ko ding kaaway.
Thank you for your patience sa tuwing tinutoyo ako at sana di ka magsawang intindihin ako.
stars. 'Cause you packed your bags, had your heart set to roam. When you left for
As we enter on the new chapter of our lives, I vow to always protect you from harm, to stand with you against your troubles, to find you whenever I need your protection, and to love you unconditionally.
Ngayon, magiging isa na tayo at tutuparin natin ang mga pangarap na yon ng magkasama. Pangako sa iyo, mahal, na hindi ko sasayangin ang tiwalang binigay mo sa akin.
Guess we weren't meant to last. I can't move on from that, and I don't have the words.
Sad puno.
So I keep counting stars inside my room, inside
Cheers, guys. Cheers. Pampainit to. Alam ko hindi tayo yung mga love team na napapanood mo sa mga teleserye at pelikula. Pero alam ko, mas matatag tayo pag magkasama at hawak kamay ng isa't isa.
Thank you sa pagmamahal at pag-aalaga sa akin araw-araw, sa pagising sa umaga at para ipagluto ako at ihatid ako sa sakayan. Lagi mo lang tatandaan na mananatili ako sa'yo kahit gaano kahirap ang sitwasyon. I love you, mahal.
Patrick, you may now kiss the bride.